Welcome to our channel. Creating custom cinematic lookup tables, or LUTs, allows you to establish a consistent color grade across your video projects and develop a unique visual style. Step 1. Understand what LUTs are, which are mathematical formulas that transform colors in your video to achieve specific looks, from warm sunset tones to cold blue cinematic feels. Step 2. Choose color grading software that supports LUT creation, such as DaVinci Resolve, which is free and professional grade, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 3. Import a well-exposed video clip that will serve as your reference footage for creating your LUT, preferably shot in a flat or log color profile. Step 4. Adjust the basic color corrections first, setting proper exposure, contrast, and white balance before applying any creative color grading. Step 5. Create your cinematic look by adjusting color wheels to influence shadows, midtones, and highlights separately, developing your unique aesthetic. Step 6. Fine-tune individual colors, using the hue versus saturation curves to enhance or suppress specific colors in your footage. Step 7. Add film grain or texture overlays if desired, to give your footage a more cinematic or analog feel. Step 8. Check your LUT on different types of footage to ensure it works well across various lighting conditions and subjects. Step 9. Export your LUT by using your software's LUT export function, saving it as a .cube file, which is the most compatible format. Step 10. Test your LUT in different editing software to verify compatibility and make adjustments if necessary. Your custom cinematic LUT is ready to give your videos a professional look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.